Winter's coming. Time to do a little bit of winter prepping. Are you ready? Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Jeff, ArizonaHotHomestead. Doing a little winter prep today. Basically, I've already done it. I just show you the end results. Generator. Is your generator ready? Have you started it in the last 10 months, 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, whatever? I don't use my generator that often out here because I've got enough solar that it does carry me through. But from time to time you need that generator. So I don't run it as often as I should. But I ran into this problem where I have a propane generator and I went to start it. It wouldn't start. I didn't understand what was going on. I don't want to run gas in it. The idea is to keep it as clean as possible with the propane. What do? I took it to the saw shop nearby. It's called All Mountain Saw Shop. He specializes in small engines and generators and chainsaws and things. He's right next to Alternative Energy here in Concho, the solar place. So if you stop by and you need a generator looked at, have him take a look at it. His name is Derek. He's a good guy. So I took it into him and I'm like, Derek, help me. And he said he'll take a look at it. And here's what he found. He had to do some rewiring. He did some rewiring because, well, the rats chewed some wires. So you couldn't see it, it was up inside here. But the rats chewed up the wire. So that was the issue. Now it works just fine. I'm not going to start it or anything like that, but now it works just fine. So now I just got to hook up my tank here and I'm ready to go. But yeah, he already test fired it and all that. And there's a battery. Basically, here's the generator. This is the propane. That is if you run on gas. It's a Champion dual fuel. And again, I got this just because I want to use propane as much as possible, only because gas goes bad. Right here's where I plug in. So right there's my plug. I just haven't plugged it in. Goes up into here. I use that breaker as a switch. So my generator is ready to go for the winter. Now I just gotta keep the mice out. God, those mice and rats are a pain in the butt. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. So my generator is ready to go for this winter. If you've seen some of my videos, I had that one situation where I had no power because my generator went out. My generator wouldn't start, and I had that storm that rolled in and allowed clouds cover for like 2 full weeks. Ran out of power. No generator. Went in town to buy one. No generator in town. So I'm better prepared this year. See you. Bye. Have fun.